Okay, we're going to continue on to look at some solving equations with brackets on both sides. So this is just a case of taking previously learned knowledge, putting it all together and doing slightly longer examples. So let's start with the first one. 7 bracket x plus 2 is equal to 5 bracket x plus 10, close the bracket. Okay, so take our time. Remember that 7 is multiplying everything in that bracket and 5 is multiplying everything in that bracket. So our first move then is to do the easy thing, which is just to open up these brackets. So 7 lots of x is 7x, 7 lots of 2 is 14, that's equal to 5 lots of x is 5x, and 5 lots of 10 is 50. So remember, it's letter terms to the left and number terms to the right, and the equal sign is in the middle. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, the equal sign is in the middle. So if a term is not what it should be, I need to eliminate it, but eliminate it from both sides. So I'm going to start at the left hand side, right over here at 7x. 7x is a letter term, it's on the left hand side, it's where it should be, so that's fine. Now 14 is a number term, that's on the left hand side, it shouldn't be there, so I need to eliminate it, but I'll need to keep the thing balanced and eliminate it from both sides. Okay, the 14, the minus 14 then cancel, and that leaves me this side with only 7x, and it's just a case of saying what you see at this side. Well, I've still got 5x, but I've also got 50 take away 14, so take your time, that will be plus 36. Okay, go through the process again. Letter terms in the left, number terms in the right, equal signs in the middle. 7x is okay, but 5x is not, so I need to get rid of it, but get rid of it from both sides. 7x take away 5x is 2x, those two have cancelled out, so it's 2x equals 36. X equals 36 divided by 2, so I'm bringing the 2 down. And 36 divided by 2 is 18, final answer. Okay, let's try an example 2. 5 bracket x plus 3 is equal to 4 bracket x plus 10. Okay, so 5 lots of x, 5x, 5 lots of 3, that's 15, is equal to 4 lots of x is 4x, and 4 lots of 10 is 40. Number terms to the left, or rather letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. If something's not what it should be, I need to eliminate it, but I'll need to eliminate it from both sides to keep things balanced. Okay, letter terms to the left, 5x is okay. 15 is a number term, it shouldn't be on the left, so I need to get rid of it. Get rid of it from both sides. I need to cancel. So I'm left with 5x on the left hand side. And again, see what you see on the right hand side. Well, there's 4x. And I've got 40 take away 15, which is 25. Okay, let's go through it again. Letter terms on the left, number terms to the right. 5x is okay, but 4x is a letter term and shouldn't be on the right, so I need to get rid of it. Get rid of it from both sides. Okay, 5x take away 4x is x, and what am I left with on the right hand side? 25. That's it, nothing more to do. I've got x equals 25, final answer. Okay, let's try another. Let's involve some negatives this time. 9 bracket x minus 3 is equal to 4 bracket x plus 1. Okay, 9 lots of x, 9x, 9 lots of minus 3 minus 27 is equal to 4 lots of x, 4x, and 4 lots of 1, that's 4. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. Okay, 9x is fine, but minus 27 is not, so how do I eliminate minus 27? I need to pay 27 back, add 27 on. Okay, so they cancel out, and just say what you see on this side, so all that's left on this side now is 9x. So what's left on this side? Well, I've still got 4x, but I've got 4 plus 27 as well, so 4x and 31. Okay, repeat the process. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 9x is okay, but 4x is not, so I need to get rid of it from both sides. 9x take away 4x is 5x. They two cancel out, 4x and minus 4x, and I'm left with 31. I then bring the 5 down and divide, and that will give me x equals 31 over 5. I won't get a whole number from that, and I can't simplify it, therefore that is the final answer. Okay, let's try an example 4. 8 bracket x minus 5 is equal to 4 bracket x minus 1. 8 lots of x, 8x, 8 lots of minus 5 minus 40 is equal to 4 lots of x, 4x, 4 lots of minus 1 minus 4. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, 40 isn't, so I need to, minus 40 rather, so I need to add 40 to both sides. So what am I left with here? They two cancel out, I'm left with only 8x on the left hand side. What with the right hand side? Well, I'm left with 4x and minus 4 plus 40. So I'm left with 4x and minus 4 plus 40 is plus 36. Let's go through it again. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, 4x is not. Eliminate it from both sides. 8x take away 4x is 4x. Those two are eliminated. I'm left with 36. Bring the 4 down and divide, and that will be x equals 36 over 4, and x is equal to 9. Okay, let's try an example 5. 8 bracket x plus 5 is equal to 2 bracket x plus 1. Okay, 8 times x is 8x, 8 times 5 is 40. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 1 is 2. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, but 40 is not, so I need to get rid of 40 from both sides. Okay, so what am I left with on that side? Well, these two cancel out. I'm only left with 8x. What about the right hand side? I'll still get 2x, and then I've got 2 minus 40. Okay, so I need to take care of that. So 2 take away 40. So think about it as if you've got £2 in the bank, but then a £40 bill comes out. Have a close think about that, but that would bring you down to minus £38, minus 38. Okay, so 2 take away 40 is minus 38. Be really careful with that, because it can be easy to get mistaken with the negative numbers. Okay, repeat the process again. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 8x is okay, but 2x is not, so I'm going to get rid of 2x from both sides. 8x minus 2x is 6x, and that's equal to, just be careful what you're left with, not 38, but minus 38. Okay, next move, bring the 6 down and divide. X equals minus 38 over 6. Now that wouldn't simplify to a whole number, but I can divide top and bottom by 2. Okay, so minus 38 divided by 2 is minus 19. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Final answer, minus 19 over 3. Okay, let's try an example 6. 6 bracket 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 bracket 2x plus 7. You can see I'm starting to introduce some bigger numbers here, not just x. Okay, so 6 lots of 3x, 6 lots of 3x, easy, that's 18x. 6 lots of minus 1, minus 6 is equal to 5 lots of 2x, 10x. And 5 lots of 7 is 35. At this point, just follow the rules, be careful. Letters to the left, numbers to the right, equal sign is in the middle. Okay, so 18x is okay, but minus 6 is not, so I need to pay that back and add on 6 to both sides. Just be really careful. Say what you see on the left hand side, I'm left with only 18x. On the right hand side I've still got 10x, and then I've got 35 plus 6, 41. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. 18x is okay, but 10x is not. So I need to get rid of 10x on both sides. 18x take away 10x is 8x, and that's equal to 41. Bring the 8 down and divide, and that will be x equals 41 over 8. I won't simplify to a whole number. The fraction can't be simplified. Final answer. Okay, example 7. 7 bracket 5 minus 2x is equal to 4x plus 11. Okay, now things are just starting to look a wee bit weirder now, but you really just need to stick to the rules, keep confident with it, and press on. So one thing that's different here is you can see that the number term's first in the bracket, the letter term's second in the bracket, which is quite unusual, but it's by no means something that you won't see, and it's easy to deal with. You just deal with it as you see it. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times minus 2x is minus 14x. That was easy. So 7 lots of 5 is 35. 7 lots of minus 2x minus 14x. No problem. Now we don't have brackets to deal with over on this side, so it's fine. Just write 4x plus 11 down again. Okay, and remember it's letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. The equal sign is in the middle. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. The equal sign's in the middle. Okay, letters to the left, numbers to the right. Okay, so 35 is on the left. That's definitely a number term. I don't want it there, so I'm going to get rid of it. Keep the thing balanced, get rid of it from both sides. Just be very careful. Both where I get left and the left hand side, it's not 14x, it's minus 14x. And again, just be careful on the right hand side. We've absolutely got 4x. And we've also got 11 take away 35. Be really careful with that. 11 take away 35 minus 24. Okay. So letter terms to the left, number terms to the right, equal signs in the middle. Minus 14x is okay, but 4x is not. So I need to get rid of it and get rid of it from both sides. Okay, so really taking your time. Minus 14x minus 4x. So you're at minus 14, but you're travelling down another 4. So that's down to minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18x. They two are eliminated, and that's equal to minus 24. Keep following the rules here. What's my next move? Bring the minus 18 down and divide. So that will be x equals minus 24 over minus 18. Okay, example 8. 4 bracket 1 minus 3x is equal to 6 bracket 5 plus 2x. Okay, 4 lots of 1 is 4. 4 lots of minus 3x is minus 12x is equal to 6 lots of 5 is 30. And 6 lots of 2x is 12x. Letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. The equal sign is in the middle. Okay, letter terms to the left, number terms to the right. So 4's on the left, it shouldn't be there. I need to get rid of it, but I need to get rid of it from both sides. Now notice when I take it away from this side, I'm not putting it underneath the 12x, which could be quite confusing. I'm putting it underneath the 4 to clearly show that 30 take away 4 will give me 26. Okay, so 4 minus 4 goes. What am I left with on the left hand side? Minus 12x. What am I left with on the right hand side? Okay, so 30 take away 4 is 26, and I'm also left with plus 12x. Okay, let's look at it again. Letters to the left, numbers to the right, equal signs in the middle. Minus 12x is okay on the left. So let's look at the right hand side. Well, it should be numbers on the right hand side. So here is the right hand side. Okay, 26, that's on the right hand side, that's a number, that's fine, but 12x shouldn't be there, so I need to get rid of it. But I'll need to get rid of it from both sides. Okay, now just be careful, a result that you could put down there potentially is 0, but that wouldn't be the case. So think about minus 12 degrees outside, it's getting 12 degrees colder. That's bringing me down to minus 24x is equal to what's left on this side, just 26. Next move, bring the minus 24 down and divide. Okay, so it'll be 26 over minus 24. Okay, I won't get a whole number with that, but I can definitely divide top and bottom by 2, which will give me 13 over minus 12, the final answer.